Okay, what we're looking at today is embedding the online stopwatch.com into your PowerPoint. A useful tool. It's nice for students to visually be able to see the time frame that they're working within. So, first things first is you need to be able to get the address to be able to embed it. I have it here. What I will do is I will paste this underneath the YouTube video in the comments box, and you'll be able to copy it from there into your document. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this like you will, and I'm going to go to my PowerPoint. Okay. Now the first thing you have to do is to set up your developer tab. So you need to go into the top left hand corner and hit the Office button, and you scroll to the bottom and you'll see PowerPoint options. Okay, you'll need to ensure that your developer tab is ticked, which is here. Okay, so tick the tab and then click OK. I'll click cancel because mine's already set up, and you'll see now if you go along you click the developer and you can see all these options. Now what you're going to click on is the hammer and spanner, and you'll click on the hammer and spanner and it will bring up another box. You will scroll down to the Shockwaves flash object, and select that and click OK. Then it will give you a little cursor, and this is the cursor that's going to allow you to draw the area that you wish your stopwatch to be in. So I'm going to draw an area like this, and it should bring up a box with an X in the middle. There we are. Now what you need to do with your box with the X in the middle is you need to right click it and then click on Properties. Okay, now the code that we copied earlier you're going to paste into the Movies box here. The next thing you need to check is that playing shows true. Okay, once you've done that, just close the box and go into slideshow mode, and you can see now that your stopwatch is embedded into your PowerPoint, and you can set a time and it will count it down and set off the time, set off an alarm. Now the difficulty is if you wish to use this document again and you choose to exit the document like so, okay, now you're going to reopen the document, and what you'll find when we reopen this document is that the online stopwatch no longer works, and there is a reason for that. So we scroll down to where it should be, and we go into slideshow mode, and we have to enable the content every single time. Okay, so we enable the content, we can see now that the stopwatch doesn't appear in our slideshow mode. So we hit escape, and then we go over to our stopwatch and we right click it. What you need to do is click Properties, and where it says playing you can see it's changed to false. Okay, so when you exit your document it will always reset to false, so when you go back into it you need to ensure that you change it back to true. Okay, then you close the window again and hit slideshow mode, and you'll see that your online stopwatch has reappeared in your window and is workable again.